Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DV Zealand. This video is about Union Council of Ministers 2021. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reshuffled his Council of Ministers on 7th July. This ministry has 78 ministers, including Prime Minister. As you know, there are three types of ministers in the Union Council of Ministers. First one is Cabinet Ministers. Second one is Minister of State with independent charge. Third one is Minister of State. Now let's see the complete list of Union Council of Ministers is on 7th July 2021. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space and all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any other minister. He is elected to Lok Sabha from Uttar Pradesh, even though he belongs to Gujarat. Rajnath Singh, Ministry of Defence from Uttar Pradesh. Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Cooperation. He is from Gujarat. Ministry of Cooperation is newly created ministry and Amit Shah is the first minister to hold this position. Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. He is from Maharashtra. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. She is elected to Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. Narendra Singh Tomar, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. He is from Madhya Pradesh. Dr. S. Jayashankar, Ministry of External Affairs. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Gujarat. Arjun Munda, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. He is from Jharkhand. Smriti Jubin Irani, Ministry of Women and Child Development. She is from Uttar Pradesh. Piyush Goyal, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Textiles. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. Dharmendra Pradhan, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh. Prahlad Joshi, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Mines. He is from Karnataka. Narayan Tatu Rane, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. Sarbananda Sonowal, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Ministry of Ayush. He is from Assam. He is not a member of Parliament. He should be elected to the Parliament within 6 months. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Ministry of Minority Affairs. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Jharkhand. Dr. Virendra Kumar, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. He is from Madhya Pradesh. Giriraj Singh, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Panchayat Raj. He is from Bihar. Jyotiraditya Madhavarao Sindhya, Ministry of Civil Aviation. He represents Madhya Pradesh in Rajya Sabha. Ramachandra Prasad Singh, Ministry of Steel. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Bihar. Ashwini Vaishnav, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Communications, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. He represents Odisha in Rajya Sabha. Pashupati Kumar Paras, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. He is from Bihar. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Ministry of Jal Shakti. He represents Rajasthan. Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice. He is from Arunachal Pradesh. Rajkumar Singh, Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. He is from Bihar. Hardeep Singh Puri, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. He is elected from Uttar Pradesh to the Rajya Sabha. Mansukh Mandaviya, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. He is a member of Rajya Sabha from Gujarat. Bhupender Yadav, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Labour and Employment. He is representing Rajasthan in Rajya Sabha. Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Ministry of Heavy Industries. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Parshottam Rupala, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Gujarat. G. Kishan Reddy, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. He is from Telangana. He is the first cabinet minister from the youngest state of India, that is Telangana. Anurag Singh Thakur, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. He represents Himachal Pradesh. Now, Ministers of State with independent charge. Rao Inderjit Singh, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Planning. He is from Haryana. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences. He is from Jammu and Kashmir. Now, Ministers of State. Rao Inderjit Singh, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. He is from Haryana. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space. He represents Jammu and Kashmir. Shripad Yesho Nayak, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Ministry of Tourism. He is from Goa. Fagan Singh Kulaste, Ministry of Steel, Ministry of Rural Development. He is from Madhya Pradesh. Prahlad Singh Patel, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. He is from Madhya Pradesh. Ashwini Kumar Chaubey, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. He is from Bihar. Arjun Ram Meghwal, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Culture. He is from Rajasthan. Retired General V.K. Singh, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Civil Aviation. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Krishan Pal, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Heavy Industries. He is from Haryana. Rao Sahib Dadarao Danve, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Mines. He is from Maharashtra. Ramdas Athawale, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Rural Development. She represents Uttar Pradesh. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Nityanand Rai, Ministry of Home Affairs. He is from Bihar. Pankaj Chaudhary, Ministry of Finance. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Anupriya Singh Patel, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. She represents Apnadal Sonalal Party from Uttar Pradesh. Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Ministry of Law and Justice. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. Shobha Karandalaje, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. She is from Karnataka. Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Darshana Vikram Jardosh, Ministry of Textiles, Ministry of Railways. She represents Gujarat. V. Muralidharan, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. Meenakshi Lekhi, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Culture. She represents Delhi. Som Prakash, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. He is from Punjab. Renuka Singh Saruta, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. She represents Chhattisgarh. Rameshwar Teli, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Labour and Employment. He is from Chhattisgarh. Kailash Chowdhury, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. He is from Rajasthan. Annapurna Devi, Ministry of Education. She represents Jharkhand. A. Narayanaswamy, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. He is from Karnataka. Kaushal Kishore, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. He represents Uttar Pradesh. Ajay Bhatt, Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Tourism. He is from Uttarakhand. B.L. Verma, Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region, Ministry of Cooperation. He is elected to Rajya Sabha from Uttar Pradesh. Ajay Kumar, Ministry of Home Affairs. He represents Uttar Pradesh. Devu Singh Chauhan, Ministry of Communications. He is from Gujarat. Bhagavant Khubha, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. He is from Karnataka. Kapil Moreshwar Patil, Ministry of Panchayat Raj. He is from Maharashtra. Pratima Bhaumik, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. She is from Tripura. Dr. Subhash Sarkar, Ministry of Education. He is from West Bengal. Dr. Bhagavat Kishan Rao Karad, Ministry of Finance. He represents Maharashtra in Rajya Sabha. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Education. He is from Manipur. Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. She represents Maharashtra. Bishweshwar Tudu, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Jal Shakti. He represents Odisha. Shantanu Thakur, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. He is from Odisha. Dr. Munjapura Mahendra Bhai, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, Ayush. He is from Gujarat. John Barla, Ministry of Minority Affairs. He represents West Bengal. Dr. L. Murugan, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. He is from Tamil Nadu. He is not a member of Parliament, so he should be elected to the Parliament within 6 months. Nishit Pramanik, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. He represents West Bengal. Thank you for watching this video.